Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down the voice on Audible when you're using the computer internet browser web-based app. And basically I've logged into audible.co.uk. If you're in the rest of the world, it's probably going to be audible.com, and then from there go up to library. And then you need to select an audiobook that you want to listen to. I'm just going to select the first one right here. And that's going to launch this window for me. From there you can see this little section down in the bottom left. It says 1.0x narration speed. Click in there, and Audible gives you the option of slowing the speed right down to 0.5x. And then you can press play from there and you're listening to the audiobook on half speed, or you can go back in here and select all the way up to 3.5x and then press play. I tend to find the sweet spot is around 1.5x because I feel that's getting you through the book a lot faster, but you can still retain a lot of the information. If you're playing it at 0.5x, it's going to be way too slow and you're going to get annoyed, but at 3.5x at the top end speed, then it's way too fast. You will not be able to retain any of the information over a long period of time. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.